Hello and welcome, Greg here from Volkswagen Birmingham Centre, once again showing you our newest approved used stock. Today is the turn of this Volkswagen Transporter Highline, available here in the short wheelbase and the exterior painted in pure grey solid colour. Loads to enjoy with this model, with key equipment highlights featuring these stunning automatic headlights, as well as daytime running lights to keep you visible, along with front rear fog lights. Whilst around the side you will also enjoy these contrasting alloy wheels here in the 16-inch Clayton design. In the rear you also find signature shaped taillights on offer, with side opening available nearest to the curb, or featuring a reinforced bulkhead, as well as wood paneling to give you added protection, with even tether hooks to tie down items. Whilst the back will certainly offer a more wider opening that makes it easier to slide items in. A quick glimpse in the front will also offer decorative door and dash inserts, with the driver's cockpit seat featuring twin armrests as well. The driver will certainly enjoy this leather-wrapped multifunction steering wheel, offering adaptive cruise control and various controls operating the TFT screen. Up ahead you'll find digital speedometer to complement the analog dials, as well as a host of active safety systems to protect you and your occupants. All your music and Bluetooth needs can easily be operated from the wheel when on the move. Whilst overhead there's storage for your documents, 12-volt charger and large cup holders for all your drinks. The infotainment touchscreen will feature AM, FM and DAB digital radio with additional media source inputs as well, whilst other clever features will also incorporate easy-to-pair Bluetooth telephony, and best of all there is AppleCarPlay and AndroidAuto smartphone projection available with a fully adjustable speaker sound system. Various vehicle settings will allow you for further customization and personalization of this transporter, and helping you park are audible and visual front and rear sensors complemented by a reverse parking camera. Whatever the weather, easy to use air conditioning is complemented here by our winter pack heated front seats, which will certainly come in handy during the cold winter months ahead of us. This has been a presentation of our approved used Volkswagen Transporter Highline short wheelbase that is now available to purchase at our dealership. For more information on this machine, contact our friendly sales team today.